All right, it's a new semester with stored grades. Now, what you're going to want to do is make sure that your semester one classes are inactive. Hopefully, you've already made a copy of your classes, you've imported your new rosters. Now, if you have not made those classes inactive, you need to do so. If you're not sure, here's how you check. All right, so jump onto Haiku, click on My Classes. You have other classes probably not shown. Click on that, and then look at your Active Classes tab. All right, and then you're going to kind of scroll down, find the classes that you don't need active any longer. We're not going to delete them. If they're kids that are you still have stuff in there, that's okay. It's not going anywhere. Find a class that you don't need anymore. Let's see. I think I got one on here somewhere. Personal finance, 1 unit example. I'm going to go ahead and make this inactive. You just click on that little drop down. You click make inactive, and boom. It is inactive. You don't have to delete anything, just make them inactive. Otherwise, they will still show up on student rosters, and that can be confusing for students. Thanks.